Assalamu alaikum. Hi, this is Shol Brahmanik. I hope everyone is well in this COVID-19 pandemic situation. I am very grateful to be a part of the 8th International Conference on Electrical Engineering and Informatics, organized by University Kebangsaan Malaysia and Institute of Technology Bandung. A presentation on age estimation using shortcut identity connection of ResNet 50 based on convolutional neural network. The co-authors are along with me, Dr. Hadi Effendi bin Dahlan. List of contents: introduction, problem statement, related work objective, modified ResNet 50 architecture, proposed algorithm, proposed training strategy, dataset attributes, result discussion, conclusion and future work, and references. Now, starting from introduction, age estimates plays an important role in real-life applications such as age-based facial classification, surveillance, search for missing people, entertainment like is cameras, and determining how human face changes with growing age. With increasing age, the appearance of the face and neck changes, the skin becomes thinner, and the increase or decrease of muscle tone gives the face a different outlook. For this algorithm require a large amount of faces in subjects. Based on convolutional neural network, ResNet 50 is used as an effective inventor to learn architecture significant features and interesting data features. Preparing and segmenting data models with shortcut identity connection of the residual block is an important step in the training in deep learning. The shortcut identity connection of the remaining blocks is optimal to find the level where the model will give the best results. At the end of the model, a fully connected layer is connected to the output layer and the generator generates the required number of outputs for the age estimation. Problem statement. Automatic age estimation is ongoing research and most existing algorithms require facial enhancement subjects for experiments to get maximum accuracy. Related work. Kuhn and Lobo experimented on a database containing 47 faces based on distance from the frontal images where calculated 6 ratios. These ratios differentiate babies and adults only. Support vector machine is a supervised machine learning algorithm for image classification and regression. Each data item is a point of n-dimensional space with the value of each property as a value of a particular coordinate. As Manifold has dedicated to a set of face images with sequential image dimensions and provides as levels. Active appearance model extracted aging features using first Fourier transform from facial images. The aging pattern subspace uses individual face sequences from the several stages of life together to represent the aging process by Gang. Each stage is a different age sequence of temporal order is called the aging pattern. Now starting from objective, convolutional neural network is widely used for image recognition, image classification, face recognition, and object detection. As a component of the deep neural network, the main organizational structure of the CNN model has different classification levels. The proposed work originates in the ResNet 50 architecture where each layer feeds to the next layer of a network with a residual block. The neural network is the universal function approximation and the accuracy increases with the increasing number of layers. There are limitations to the number of layers that improve accuracy. The level at which the neural network will receive maximum accuracy needs to be identified. Adding another layer after finding the maximum accuracy level will reduce the accuracy due to extra fitness. Identity connection is called the shortcut identity connection from the beginning of the remaining block to the correct stage of the remaining block. All remaining blocks from the architecture will be avoided using shortcut identity connection. Modified ResNet 50 architecture. The modified ResNet 50 architecture will start from input layer. After input layer, it will go through convolution layer and max pooling layer. After that, shortcut identity connection of residual blocks will work in hidden layers. It will find the highest accuracy layer in hidden layer. Rest all hidden layer will be ignored, and directly it will go through average pooling layer and fully connected layer. Softmax classifier will classify the images and produce the output in final layer. Proposed algorithm. The algorithm will define landing rate, batch size, iteration, convergence status, and epoch. Then it will start ResNet 50 training and produce the traditional output. Again, shortcut identity connection of ResNet 50 architecture will start training and it will give the updated output. After ending training period, will start testing period and algorithm will get the accuracy result. Proposed training strategy. Set training parameters, differentiate training dataset, testing dataset, and the best size of the shortcut identity connection of ResNet 50 model. Set a predictor for the age estimation from testing data, the training period accomplished, and time to give the result of testing data. Set a camera for capturing real-life facial images to use in testing purpose. Set a predictor for age estimation from real-life facial images. Dataset attributes. For the experiment, ImageNet dataset used where ImageNet dataset spans 1000 object classes and contains 47,107 training images, 2,411 validation images, and 21,690 test images used for the experiment. Another attributes of this experiment is real-life images where 30 camera captured images used for the testing purposes only. Result discussion. The feature set of multi-skill convolutional neural network used to morph to dataset, and their highest accuracy result is 3.63 based on mean absolute error. Multiple output CNN learning algorithm used morph to upward, and their achievements are 3.27 mean absolute error and 3.34 mean absolute error. VGG16 architecture is morph to FGNet, and their achievements are 2.68 mean absolute error and 3.09 mean absolute error. DMTL architecture used morph 2 and LFW plus datasets, and their achievements are 3.0 mean absolute error and 4.5 mean absolute error. Shortcut identity connection of ResNet 50, which is proposed algorithm and used ImageNet dataset, and the achievement is 1.38 mean absolute error, which is the highest accuracy result. Conclusion and future work. The proposed shortcut identity connection of ResNet 50 architecture has achieved a state-of-the-art performance among existing models, where the age estimation by regression. The use of shortcut identity connection makes it possible to improve the performance of CNN in terms of computation time, and accuracy. In future work, this algorithm will consider the shortcut identity connection method to estimate gender and enhance the accuracy of the proposed method by modifying the ResNet 50 approach. References. Here you can see the references. Thank you, everyone.